Hello dear student of class 9. Welcome to DAV Moyle Public School online e-learning session. I am your social science teacher Mr. Mani sir. Dear student, today we are going to learn about types of vegetation. Here dear student, the types of vegetation. There are 5 types of vegetations in our country. These are the major types of vegetations identified in our country. Tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, tropical thorn forest and scrubs, montane forest and mangrove forest. So these are 5 types of vegetation in our country. Here first, tropical evergreen forest. Dear student, the tropical evergreen forests are restricted to heavy rainfall. They're best in areas having more than 200 centimeter rainfall. Means these forests are found in area having more than 200 centimeter rainfall. Height of tree. The tree's height up to 60 meter even tall. 60 meters and above even tall. Some special trees in tropical evergreen forest are mahogany, ebony, rosewood, rubber and cinchona are the trees. Animals in these forests are elephant, monkey, deer, one-horned rhinoceros, bats, sloths, lemur, snail, scorpions. These are the animal species that found in this forest. Here dear student, see, this is the area of tropical evergreen forest. These are the area of tropical evergreen forest in dark green. Okay. Now, it is found in Western Ghats, Northeastern state, Eastern coastal plain region. Found in jungles of Assam, West Bengal. So, it is all about tropical evergreen forest. Second is tropical deciduous forest. Dear student, it is a most widespread forest in our country and it is called as monsoon forest. On the basis of availability of water, deciduous forest can be divided into moist deciduous forest and dry deciduous forest. Features. Dear student, moist deciduous forest that found in where the rainfall 100 centimeter to 200 centimeter in area, and dry deciduous forest found in which area received 70 centimeter to 100 centimeter rainfall in our country. The area of dry deciduous forest is Bihar, Uttar Pradesh and some parts of the peninsular plateau. The area of moist deciduous forest are northeastern states, foothills of Himalaya and West Odisha, Chhattisgarh and slope of Western Ghats. Generally we found moist deciduous forest in that area. Some trees, teak, bamboos, sal, kher, shisham, sandalwoods are the trees that generally found in moist deciduous forest. And teak, sal, peepal, neem are the trees that found in dry deciduous forest. Dear student, lion, tiger, deer, elephant, lizard, snakes are the animal species that found in tropical deciduous forest. Here the map of the tropical deciduous forest. Dear student, see the light green color shows you the area of tropical deciduous forest in our country. Okay, this is our tropical deciduous forest area in our country. I hope you understand. Now next forest is tropical thorn forest. Dear student, the area which receive the rainfall less than 70 centimeter, that area has thorn forest, tropical thorn forest and scrubs. Area. The vegetation is found in northwestern parts of the country, including arid areas of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. Some trees that found in tropical thorn forest and scrub, acacias, palm trees, cacti are found in thorn forest. Rats, mice, rabbits, fox, owl, tiger, lion, camels are the animals that found in thorn forest. Dear student, here this forest get little the 10 to 20 inches rain a year. Okay, the area of tropical thorn forest. See the area of tropical thorn forest. Here the area of tropical thorn forest. Here we see the tropical thorn forest in our country. Desert area, arid land. Okay, I hope you understand. Next forest is mountain forest. Yes, dear student, these types of the forest are found in mountainous area in our country. So, they are in two types, wet temperate forest and temperate forest. Dear student, wet temperate forest, it is a kind of one type of the mountain forest. Wet temperate forest found between the height of 1000 to 200 meters. They are evergreen, broadleaf trees like oaks and chestnuts. And it is found on low hills, means Shivalik hill range. Next types of the mountain forest is temperate forest. This forest found between the height of 1500 to 300 meters. Trees such as pine, deodar, silver fir, spruce and cedar. Trees that found in temperate forest. Southern slope of Himalayas. High altitude of south, northeastern part of India has these types of temperate forest of mountain forest. yak, leopard, red panda, sheep, goat, Tibetan antelope, and squirrels are the animals that found in this forest. So it is all about the mountain forest. Here, dear student, the map of the mountain forest. See that light green area shows us the mountain forest. Here also we can see the mountain forest in our country. Okay, this is our mountain forest. Next forest is mangrove forest. Dear student, the tidal forest found in the areas of coast influenced by tides. So, the mangrove tidal forests are found in the areas that coast influenced by the tides. Mud and silt get accumulated on such coast. Dense mangroves are the common varieties with roots of plants submerged underwater. The deltas of Ganga, the Mahanadi, the Krishna, and the Godavari and Kaveri are covered by such types of vegetation. In the Ganga Brahmaputra delta, Sundari trees are found which provide a durable hard timber. Palm, coconut, kevra, agar also grow in some parts of the delta. Means coconut, kevra, agar, palm. These are the trees that important trees that found in mangrove forest. Animals like Royal Bengal tiger, turtles, crocodiles, and snakes are the animal species that found in mangrove forest. Here, dear student, the mangrove forest. See the area. This is the area of mangrove forest. This area and this area is famous for the mango forest. We know about the Sundarban. That Sundarban area in delta of Ganga. So dear student, it is all about the types of vegetations that found in India. So I hope you understand today's topic. So here the assignment questions on today's topic. You should write these questions in your notebook and its answers. So dear student, I hope you understand today's topic. Thank you for watching today's video and thank you for making me the part of your day. Thank you for today. Have a nice day ahead.